What's going on, everyone? This morning I am heading to the Bronx. I have a group of fathers and sons that I'm meeting this morning. They all ordered my books, and we're going to have a little discussion, take some pictures, answer some questions, and it's going to be a great day. Yesterday we did Nassau County. Had an amazing time yesterday in Nassau County, and we're working nonstop. Also, don't forget, Saturday, November 15th, we have the Young Men's Summit, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. More information to come. Got some amazing speakers lined up. We're not forgetting our young men. That's the reason that we're starting this day one. We're not leaving our young men behind. So, Saturday, November 15th, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., absolutely free. It is a Zoom, so you can join us from the comfort of your own home, and we're going to have an amazing time.